Hey, fellow streamers, are you tired of dealing with audio and video sync issues in OBS? Well, you are in luck because in today's video, I've got the solution for you. In this tutorial, we're diving into the deep world of sync offset, a quick fix for those pesky synchronization problems that can ruin the quality of your streams. So, let's begin. Now, if you haven't done so, OBS is free to download. If you click on the Windows for Mac OS and for Linux, you also have an option to contribute here in Discord, Twitter, Mastodon, GitHub, and a lot more. And after doing so, once you have done that, now you can say goodbye to awkward delays and out of sync moments during your streams or recordings with this simple technique. Now you'll ensure a professional and polished presentation every time. Now when you are here in the dashboard, right? Basically just go to the audio mixer, right click on it and click on the advanced audio properties, right? Now you just search, say for example you have a multiple options here, but just look for your mic. Mine is this one. Now if you have an awkward delay speech or the video and audio is not in sync, you just put a value on it, right? Or 100 or a minus value, and just play around and check. Once you've done that, click on close and see if the audio and video has synced and the problem was fixed. But if not, again, just hover here and play around with the values, right? And that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.